Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I am here with my 2011 ML-Class W164 chassis Mercedes-Benz, and we're going to be replacing the cabin filters in this vehicle. Now, like many things, there's an easy way to do this and there's a hard way to do this. Now, if we open the box, it's probably got some instructions in here. And we can see the instructions here actually will tell us that we have to take out the glove box out of the dashboard to do this job. However, having done this before, I can tell you it's far easier to do it the way I'm going to show you today. So rather than taking the whole glove box out, to get to the filters, we're going to get to them from the engine compartment, and we're going to take this airbox out. Now, depending on whether you've got a right-hand drive or a left-hand drive vehicle, this box is on one side of the vehicle or the other. The simplest way to work out where it is directly behind the glove box of your vehicle. So you can see on my vehicle, mine's right-hand drive, got the glove box on this side, and so therefore the airbox is directly behind it. So we're going to get this airbox out and get stuck back into it. So to get this airbox out, we simply need a screwdriver, which we use to pry up these clips. As you can see, that one clicked up really easily, and then we'll get the other one up. There we go. And straight away you can see that airbox has fallen forward, and then we simply just lift it out. There we go. So just looking in straight into that airbox, you can see straight away, you can see those two filters sitting in there side by side. So now all we have to do is reach in and get those out. Now, as you can see, the original filters in this vehicle have been replaced at some point in time, May 2017, with these cool expert filters. So they're not original filters, but what I'm replacing with here today is actually equivalent of the Mercedes. They don't have the Mercedes logo, but Mercedes use the MANN Filter, the CUK 2646-2, and purchase them off Amazon at about a third of the cost as if you'd get them from the dealership. Just will point out though, whoever replaced these filters in this vehicle, they actually put them in the wrong way. The arrows should have been facing downwards because the airflow goes from top to bottom. So make sure you have the airflow in this direction when you put them in. And that's what I'm going to be doing now. So I'll show you how that's done. So to start with, we simply get the first one in. Got the airflow the right way there. Just give that a bit of a push. Pop that down and slide that across, and then we'll get the second one in. Now the second one will be a little bit trickier. So got the airflow in the correct direction, top to bottom. And then we need to get this filter in. So as we're pushing it in, it is quite tight doing it this way through the front. And so you do need to flex and, squish the paper a little bit, but that's fine because it is a paper filter and it will bounce back into shape. And as you can see, I've now got them both in, and they're both into the correct position and nice and flat. So it's ready now to put the cover back in. So with those filters in, it's simply now a matter of just dropping that airbox back in. There are a couple of lugs at the bottom, which you need to make sure you get located in the holes down the bottom. It is quite simple though. And you feel it when they slide in just like they've done there. And then it's just a matter of pushing down on the clip. So there you go, folks. In just 5 minutes, we've replaced these dirty old filters. Now remember, that's the air which you and your family breathe, folks. So get those filters replaced every couple of years. And in this case, we've replaced with effectively genuine filters, albeit they don't have the Mercedes logo on them. So I've got these MANN filters off of Amazon. I'll put a link in the description where you can get them at about a third of the cost which Mercedes would sell them. And the only difference is Mercedes chuck a Mercedes logo on top of a MANN filter. So if you've liked this video, folks, do feel free to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, have a good evening.